Hey, I'm Jessica from Sweet Briar Sisters, and today I want to show you my sewing bed. This is my sewing bed, which has allowed me to be able to sew for probably 3 or 4 times longer every day than if I was sitting at a desk. I have a health condition called POTS, Postural Orthostatic Tachycardia Syndrome. The short, easy to understand version of that is that my heart can't keep up with me and I get really tired really fast. The slightly longer version is that it specifically can't keep up with me when I'm upright or vertical. When I'm horizontal or laying down, my heart does just fine and I don't get worn out. I'm just like a normal person, healthy person. But the more vertical I get, the harder my heart has to work, and because my heart is working so hard just to pump blood up into my brain, I get really, really tired really, really fast. The only main change that we had to make to the bed to make it work for sewing was to add this board down here by my feet. And it was pretty simple. There's the bed frame and the mattress, and there's a little place in between where we just slid a board that extends a little bit higher than the mattress so that I have a place to put my sewing machine pedal. When I first started this process, we began with a really cheap overbed table that we got at an office supply store for about 30 bucks. And it was okay. It was small and it wasn't very strong, so when I sewed, with every stitch it bounced a little bit. So I would kind of wedge my knee up and try to keep it steady, and eventually I just went all in and I invested in a nicer overbed table. It's nice and sturdy, and it gave me a little extra space so I could install an iron pad. So now I can do all of my ironing from bed, which is so nice. And that's about it. Pretty simple, really. I hope you enjoyed this extra look into my sewing setup, and I hope you have a fantastic day sewing.